I suffered with horrendous chronic lower back pain for nearly 2 decades. If you're like me and you suffer with lower back pain as well, I assure you there are things that we can do that can greatly reduce, if not completely eliminate, your lower back pain. At Talking with Docs, an amazing YouTube channel, just came out with a video with 5 proven movements that we can do that can have a huge impact on the quality of our back health. And the key takeaway, movement beats rest. I know that gentle movement has transformed the quality of my life and my back health. And I feel really confident that if you put in the time, the energy, and stay consistent to these movements, that it can have a profound effect on the quality of your life. Because I know that when you remove lower back pain, everything in life gets exponentially better. Movement number 1. The McGill Curl Up. Lie flat on the ground. Bring one knee up, foot flat on the ground. Bring your hands underneath your lumbar and simply bring your head and your shoulder blades 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Start with 5, 10 of these movements. Add a couple each day. Maybe another set by the end of the week. We want core strength, but more importantly, core endurance to promote a healthy back. Number 2, bird dog. Come to all fours, very slowly. Right arm comes up. Left leg goes back. Controlled, steady movement. Left arm up, right leg back. Do as many as you can and just gradually add on 1 or 2 repetitions every day. And this movement will help us to build core strength and core stability, and ultimately a happy back. Number 3, glute bridge. Lie down again. Feet planted firmly on the ground. Plant your hands on the ground as well. And slowly and steadily bring your pelvis up. Try to get a nice straight line if you can. Work towards 8 to 10 of these movements. Again, just do what you can. Add on a few repetitions every day. Strong glutes is a great predictor of back health. We want to do exercises that improve the strength of those big butt muscles, our gluteus maximus, and a glute bridge is an amazing exercise for doing just that. Number 4, side planks. There's many variations of this movement. For a beginner, you can start on your knees, bring your hand to the ground, and we're going to simply bring our hips down and rise up. Again, try to create a nice straight line if you can. You don't have to go way over, down, and up. Once you become proficient in this, starting with 5 to 10 movements, you can begin to come to the ankle and make it a little bit more challenging for yourself. Just hold it there in an isometric exercise, amazing, or slowly down and up. Obviously, you're going to want to do this exercise on both sides. Just add on gradually, an amazing exercise for building great strength in the side body, particularly the obliques. Number 5, and my favorite. This is more of a functional fitness exercise, but it's amazing movement. A sit to stand, a park bench, a chair, anytime, any place. Sit to stand. An incredible movement for building mobility in the ankles, knees, and hips. leg strength, core stability. But this truly is going to make a huge difference in your back health. Maybe you can't start like that. Maybe you need your hands and just to come off the chair just like this. Slowly but surely, keep adding more sit to stands into your daily movements, and it will greatly increase the quality of your back health. That's it. 5 amazing exercises. It's consistency over intensity. And truly, if you continue to show up for yourself every day, move in dynamic ways, try these 5 exercises, I know you can absolutely change your back health and ultimately the quality of your life. Let me know how it goes. Best of luck. I hope that you can truly eliminate your back pain like I was able to. Life does become just so much better. All the best.